Good morning, everyone. We have a lot to cover today, so we are not going to waste any time. For those of you that have followed me for the long haul, you know I'm a health, wellness, and life coach. I coach individuals like you. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are interested in a coaching session, just keep following along. I always have links provided where you can get on the schedule. One of the biggest questions that I have received for years in this business and sharing my life on social media is, what do you eat in a day? Well, I am happy to share. I'm so happy to share that I actually share it every single week. If you want to know what that is, what I eat in a day, you are going to want to follow me on Instagram stories. Every single Wednesday, I share from start to finish what I eat in a day. Then I also store those stories in my little highlight icon that you can click on and view throughout the entire week until the following week comes. So again, what I eat Wednesday, every single Wednesday on Instagram stories. The other thing, if you've been following me, you know that I am in maintenance mode. What does that mean? That means that I am in a maintenance window for my weight. I am not trying to lose weight. I am not trying to gain weight. I am at a very comfortable and happy and healthy weight for my body. But I like to have a window, and with all of my clients, I encourage them to have a window as well. If you have a magic number, you're pretty much setting yourself up for failure, because if the wind blows a certain way, I think your weight's going up. It's never going to go down, is it, ladies? It's always going to go up. I think it's nice to have a window. For some people, it's a 3-pound window. For some people, it's a 5. For some, it's an 8. You get to decide. The important thing is get to your window and then stay there. So what I want to share with you today is some of the things that I do eat, but I'm not going to do them in meals. There's no reason for me to share here on YouTube what I eat in a day, because I share it every single week with you. So why not see it live is the way I look at it. But I'm not going to stop there. I'm also going to share with you little tips that I do to keep me in my weight window. First of all, I do not follow any prescribed diet. I am not keto, I am not paleo, I am not Atkins, I am not low carb. I don't follow any diet. I am what I call a clean eater. What is a clean eater? A clean eater is someone who eats most food that comes from its natural state. Food that is not highly processed, it's natural, has a good macronutrient breakdown. Let's start with what I call the big dog. The big dog for me is protein. Now, I know there is the whole keto craze and it's all about the fats, and if that works for you, it's working. If it's not broken, why fix it? I have tried higher carb, I have tried higher fat, and I have tried higher protein. My body reacts best when I keep my protein higher. So that's my big dog. My big daddy is protein. I like protein to be my highest macronutrient of the day over fats and carbs. Again, that might not work for you. The important thing is you find what works for you, you get into your maintenance window, and you stay there. And I'm gonna help you get there, and I'm gonna help you stay there. What do I eat for protein? Well, I'll tell you this. Very little beef and very little chicken. Why? Because I don't like it, okay? I don't prescribe to, you can't have this, you can't have that, this is no good. I don't really care for beef. I don't really care for chicken. I have it on occasion. It's okay. It's okay because it works for me. This, my friends, probably looks familiar to those that follow me very closely. Salmon is my absolute favorite, and I pretty much have salmon every single day. Pasture-raised eggs, I pretty much have eggs every single day. Why? Because I love eggs. You will see lots of fish when it comes to me. We have a packet of tuna, I mix nothing in it. We have a packet of salmon, I don't mix anything in it. I love sardines. I love fish. It is not torture for me to eat it because I love it. If you don't like fish, but you like chicken, eat chicken. That pretty much covers my main sources of protein. But again, I like to keep my protein high, and that can be difficult, especially if you're doing intermittent fasting, which of course you know that I do. Because of that, in trying to keep my protein levels high, I have a protein shake every single day. I'm going to share with you what that protein is that I've incorporated in all the other wonderful products that this particular line has. It's called 310 Nutrition. They have knocked it out of the park for me recently, but I can't wait to share with you the reasons why and how I put them to the test against the protein powder that I was using. Before we do that, I want to talk about the next macronutrient that I place a lot of emphasis on, and that is fat. Good, healthy fats. We're talking things like natural tree nuts like almonds, walnuts, pecans. You can even incorporate your natural nut butters. Incorporating some coconut oil is awesome. Grass-fed butter, which is called ghee, is another great source of fat. And let me just add in that a lot of these fats also have a little bit of protein in them. Bone broth is also wonderful to add into your diet. It's more into the protein source, but it's also a great source of healthy fats. MCT oil is an absolute favorite. Most of the time, I will break my fast with MCT oil. I recently just picked this one up by 310 Nutrition. Again, I cannot wait to share their whole product line in a wonderful steal of a deal on a starter kit that you can get your hands on. And you know the baby, my avocado. I love avocados. I have one every single day or a half of one. Carbohydrates. Now this is the one that always gets the bad rap. But it isn't carbohydrates that are bad, it's what source they're coming from. For me, my carbohydrates come in things like this: green vegetables, green leafy vegetables, and more of your crucifix vegetables. We have fibrous vegetables, crucifix. The crucifix ones like broccoli, asparagus, cucumber, celery, a lot of those are packed with water. They are wonderful. Asparagus is a diuretic. I love to incorporate that into my diet. Leafy greens are awesome. You can add in a few starchy carbs, especially if you're living an active lifestyle. I love quinoa. It's probably one of my favorites. I also love the Ezekiel English muffins. Those are great and they suit me very well. But that pretty much covers it. Yeah, I add in a little things here and there, but that's pretty much the big things that are constantly being restocked in my pantry and my refrigerator. So how do I maintain my weight window? Well, I eat clean pretty much most of the time with a little bit of elbow room. Why do I get elbow room? Because I'm in my window. If I give myself too much elbow room with my eating, I'm going to creep out of that window. But I'm the type of person, because I have a window that I have to stand, God forbid we have any boundaries for ourselves, I have to scale back. If my weight creeps out of my window, I pull the trigger. I don't deprive myself of eating. I don't calorie deprive, but I clean it up severely. That's when I don't have anything in the starchy carb family. I won't have the quinoa. I won't have the Ezekiel. It's all green vegetables only as a carb source, good proteins, good healthy fats, and I can take that little bit of overage off in no time flat. I incorporate that with a good exercise routine. I work out 5 days a week. They are butt kicker workouts. If you start incorporating these things into your life now and you have weight to lose, you're gonna take that weight off. That being said, I'm so excited to share a new product line that's new to me and has become very near and dear to me as well. I talked about keeping my protein count high. If I don't incorporate a daily protein shake into my diet, I just can't get the protein macronutrients that I want every single day. Recently, I teamed up with a plant-based that uses pea, hemp, and brown rice proteins, vital vitamins and minerals that are so important for our health, and 310 Nutrition offers that in their protein. And I can't wait to share how you can get a starter kit for yourself so you can try not only their protein, but all their other wonderful products. Being a health and wellness coach and looking out for your best interest, I love that 310 Nutrition complements exactly what I try to preach and promote. I love that their plant-based protein powder not only is sugar-free, sweetened only with natural sugar alternatives. I love that it's nut-free, it's dairy-free, egg-free, soy-free, gluten-free, and I love the fact that it is only 90 calories with your 15 grams of protein, because you cannot deny that we are still paying attention to our calories as we should. Wonderful meal replacement, perfect for your lifestyle, perfect for my lifestyle. Yes, we want to get our good, healthy protein sources from our natural sources like our fish, our chicken, our eggs, going with grass-fed, pasture-raised, wild-caught, all of those things, but we cannot deny that we need to supplement with other sources, and plant-based is where it's at. This is not all about weight loss. This is about helping you to reach your goals. And if weight loss is your goal, you can do that by incorporating the exercise and the other nutritionally dense food, but this is going to complement it. I love salted caramel, period, but this is so delicious. And I put the chocolate up against the chocolate that I was using by Beverly, and I'm really loving this. I also have the vanilla chai, which is super good. I have not opened this yet because I have not had to. In the starter kit came a sample of the vanilla chai, so that's how I got to test and try it. There's others, there's mocha. This is what your little kit will look like. Now I've obviously tapped into this, but we do have the strawberry. There's the salted caramel, so this is great for on the road. I prefer making my shakes, and I'll show you. We'll go make one together. How does that sound? We have a regular vanilla. A lot of people like to have regular vanilla. I know that is one that I've always sold a lot of when I did the Beverly because people like to put their berries in it. You are also going to receive in your starter kit some of their Slimming Detox tea, which I actually picked up one for myself. You already know that I love tea. I incorporate it on a daily basis. This is the Slimming Detox packet, but again, you'll get some to test in your starter kit. You will also receive the little shaker that you can mix your drinks up in. You will also get a couple packets of your 310 daily juice, which these are super great. There's only 15 calories in here. Lots of great vitamins and nutrients. These little lemonade packets are a must try. Okay, these remind me of the Crystal Light packets that people get that are not good for you because they are loaded with all of the bad artificial sweeteners. These ones are awesome. They're little lemonade mixes. They come in blackberry, lemon, raspberry, all different flavors. Use your protein shake as your meal replacement. You're not gonna achieve your goals by going through Burger King and McDonald's or even Subway. You need to have an alternative. Incorporate some of the 310 nutrition products, take them to work with you. Pack up your lunch for the day. Take it just like this. If it were me, I'd have an MCT oil in my desk as well. This is a great thing to incorporate because it's a healthy fat. Many benefits to MCT oil. You already know I talk about this all the time on social media, and I will continue. Also in your starter kit, you will get a 30 shakes for 30 days 310 nutrition ebook. You will also get a meal plan ebook as well as a $10 310 gift card. Make sure to click my link below to get 70% off the 310 Nutrition Starter Kit and use my code below for free shipping on orders over $50. This is an incredible deal you don't want to miss. We also have a little tea tumbler here, so if you want to mix up your tea and put it in this, you can. The other thing that I decided to pick up and try from 310 Nutrition was their apple cider vinegar little supplements. I've never done my apple cider vinegar this way. I do share with you apple cider vinegar all the time in a liquid form, but I thought I'd give this one a try, so I'm really excited. I'll keep you all posted. Ladies, gentlemen, if you want energy, if you want vitality, if you want to feel good, it all boils down to diet. You can't work off a bad diet. You can't exercise it off. And exercise complements a healthy diet, but you need to have good, wholesome nutrition. You need to incorporate supplements that can enhance that, boost your metabolism. You can burn extra fat with a lot of these products. This is what it's all about. It's incorporating the whole entire thing. It's not a one size fits all. You have to package it all together. You have to find what works for you. All right, let's go make a protein shake. Which one? Let's do the vanilla chai. There you go. We have our vanilla chai in our shaker bottle. Perfect for on the road, perfect for your busy lifestyle. Superfoods, prebiotics, probiotics, unlike so many other products on the market. I love chai. I love chai everything. No harmful ingredients like artificial flavors, sweeteners, and all of that garbage. Great thing to incorporate. Don't forget, it's the lifestyle. I do want to say thank you for 310 Nutrition for teaming up with me because this has been such a highly requested video, and I can always do more off of this and share more of what I eat, but don't forget, I do What I Eat Wednesday every single Wednesday on Instagram stories. I'm going to continue to purchase this line. I'm going to continue to share it with you and talk about it. Try the little lemonade packets because they are a treat and they also are packed full of vitamins And when in doubt, incorporate the Slimming Detox Tea. I love Slimming Detox Teas. Love this. Thank you for joining me. Can't wait to see you in the next video. Comments, suggestions down below. If you're not subscribed, get on it. And don't forget to give this video a like. We'll see you soon. I love chai.